Reyes has started to play. We are in Vilafranca del Penedès, where today the Colla Castelleras, the Casteller team of the Penedès region, have gathered to celebrate and manifest that these comarcas want to be one Vagueria in the future. Here we have the Borregastos de Vilanova, the yellow ones, who are building a quadrada steps, I think it will be, a 4x7. And it will be with a needle in the end, I trust. I'm not 100. Yes, it must be. Yes, it is. So 4x7, and then it will be dismantled into a needle. Is carregat, which means that at least the first part is completed. Now the task is to bring it down while at the same time maintaining the needle that will be created in the middle of this construction. The Antonetta is already up on the top. Oh, this is shaking. Oh, very good, Antonetta. So this needle, the pillar in the middle, is already a freestanding construction, while the outer ring of 4 are climbing down. The task still remains to bring this down, but no, this is very good. Very good at Borregastos. Well, Vilafranca del Penedès, Catalonia 2009.